Creating high quality DIY welding project for your YouTube channel require precious skills and clear approach. In this comprehensive guide planning over, I will walk you through each stage through welding process from selecting the right materials and tools to exciting integrate welds with details demonstration and expert tips. We will learn various welding techniques, safety protocols, and innovative methods to tackle Staver's project. Join me with developing to the world of welding, empowering you to craft exponential metalwork and elevate your skills in this immersive DIY journey. We will walk you through each step meticulous, ensuring seamless journey from start to finish, from gathering and necessary tools and materials to mastering fundamental welding techniques. These comprehensive tutorials condense fundamental welding techniques, word from information into concise, easy to follow voiceover with clear instruction and insightful tips you to confidently ignite an exercise of welding, transforming raw materials into your envied masterpieces. Let's dive into the endless your welding process. Fascinating welding project meticulous craft to engage both noise and experienced welders with clear to concise explanation accomplished by high quality values. Videos aims to empower viewer with the skills and confidence needed to seem successfully undertake and welding endeavor, from selecting the right materials and equipment to exciting precise welding techniques. Expert which serve as comprehensive roadmap ensuring fulfilling and educational experience for your audience throughout the project. Instruction for crafting immerse project from scratch and choosing the right instruction from crafting immerse project from scratch, from choosing the right welding techniques to mastering the art of metal fusion, and tutorials aim to empower welding techniques to mastering the art of metal fusion. Tutorial aims to empower enthusiasts to have the skills level with clear demonstration and expert tips. Viewers will gain confidence to embark their welding journey to bring their creative idea to life. Join us who spark innovation and transformative raw materials and functional and visually stunning pieces through the power of welding. This welding tutorial aims to provide approach welding technique, safety measures, and project execution throughout clear the encouraging narration. Viewers will be guided through instruction and welding equipment, setup, materials, preparation, welding methods, troubleshooting common issues, and welding delivering expert tips of successful project. Each segments will meticulous craft ensure to seamless viewers experience, allowing enthusiasts to grab the fundamental of welding while fostering confidence in their abilities to tackle diverse welding projects. We will explore essential welding techniques, safety precautions, instruction to help you on stunning metal art, from selecting the right welding equipment to mastering various welding methods like MIG and stick welding. The videos aim to empower with your skills and knowledge to create immersive metal structure. Get and empower you with the skills and knowledge to create immersive metal structure. Get ready to dive into the world of welding and unleash your creativity. To emphasize this contact, it is focused to delivery clear setup by instruction, highlighting safety measures and emphasizing key welding techniques. Such the sentence will be meticulous craft to effectively convey essential information, ensuring viewers grab project necessary while maintaining their interest. Without the tutorials by Prioritizing clarity and brevity with optimized paragraph will empower viewers to confidently undertake the welding project while keeping them engaged and informed. Covering essential welding techniques, safety precautions, material selection, and tools, heading guide with empower enthusiast material selection and tools heading aim to empower enthusiasts to any skill level to embark in welding journey confidently by breaking down the complexities into manageable segments with the help of graphs and norms of welding while fostering a safe of enjoyable experience. Let's dive into the unless your welding process. The word required to strategic approach of maintain segment and convey information effectively optimize the narration structured background in key organizing the content into clear section such as introduction materials welding step by step instructions safety guideline troubleshooting tips and conclusion allow for the construction safety guidance. It is vital to maintain the conversational tone, providing detailed yet concise explanation for each welding techniques and tools used. Detailed yet concise explanation for each welding techniques and tools used. Additionally, emphasizing safety measures throughout the project is essential. Utilizing descriptive language and sessional page for emphasis for clarification for further enhance the leisure understanding balancing information delivery with engaging narration style with ensure enjoyable and educational experience to whoever seeking guidance on their welding endeavor. To optimize the contact, consider structure with narration into clear selection, each focusing on specific aspect of the welding process. Being with the attention, grabbing introduction, verify outlining the project goal and materials needed, following this with step by step instruction, breaking down the welding process into manageable segments, emphasize safety measures, and provide practical tips throughout. Use descriptive language to illustrate techniques, ensuring viewers can easily following alone. Conclude with summary, reinforcing key point and encouraging viewers to apply their newfound skills. Keep sentence concise, maintain a steady pace, and infuse enthusiasm into the narration to keep audience engaged throughout the video. Welding in this we will explore fundamental welding techniques, equipment essential and safety protocols to empower you in your welding endeavor. Covering various welding processes like make, dig, and stick welding, we will develop into the step-by-step instruction, offering practical tips and tricks along the way from selecting the right materials to mastering point preparation and finishing techniques. These tutorials aim to equip you with the knowledge and confidence to tackle welding project efficiently and safely. Let's dive into the unless your welding skills. To optimize contact, focus on critical aspects like safety measures, welding techniques, necessary equipment, and step-by-step instruction being with engaging introduction. Highlighting the project scope and the relevance of enthusiasts. Subsequently, detail each step in project scope, its relevance to enthusiasts. Clear, concise language, ensuring to cover safety protocols thoroughly. Demonstrate various welding methods, explaining what the application and exercises, emphasize troubleshooting tips to common mistakes to add learned. Conclude by summarizing key keywords and encouraging viewers to explore further resources for advanced techniques. This approach ensure and efficient information and encouraging voiceover to develop project in confined your count. With target optimizing contact chronicles words and clarity and brevity to aim convey essential welding techniques, safety measures, project guide efficiently. Each word in this narration intend to impact valuable insights, step-by-step instruction, and insightful tips, ensuring and encouraging informative experience for your audience. Through this meticulous craft, we strive to empower enthusiasts and beginners alike in the welding and our fostering a deep understanding and passion for this intricate craft. These tutorials aim to equip with the knowledge and confidence to knowledge welding project efficiently and safety. Let's dive into unleash your welding skills. Keep concise, maintain peace and enforce. Thank you so much for watching this video.